All right, new thumb camera. I'm testing out. They forgot the A in camera, evidently. Thumb camera. What comes in the box? You get this tripod thing with the 1/4-20 mount, so you get screwed into that. What else comes in the box? You get this this thing you could put it in, the battery, whatever the hell this is called, the battery case. You put it in. It's got LED indicator lights and everything on there. You got the USB-C to get a thing where you could put the lanyard on it, hang it from your neck, whatever. You got the 1/4-20 mount right there. You could screw it into the tripod thing. This goes in just like that. And you charge it. You know, you could charge it up with this, plug it in. What else you get? You get this clip where you can clip it onto your shirt. It's magnetic. It only works one way. It repels if you try to put it in like this. If you try to put it in the other way, it just goes right in. It only works one way. So you get this thing for hanging it around your neck. You clip it on, do whatever you want. You get this little case for it. You have a 1/4-20 on the bottom. You have this thing. You could, you know, it's 1/4-20 mount. I guess you could use it to hang it from this. Use the you know, the strap, whatever. And last but not least, you got the USB-C cable. I really wish they knew how to spell, but whatever. All this stuff comes with, you could hang it from your neck or your wrist. This is probably for your wrist, so you don't lose it. And the, of course, the owner's manual, which of course is another language on that side, and on this side it's English. There's technical specifications. I think it charges for, you have to use this, hang on. These are technical specifications. It records in AVI format. It says you get about 2 to 2.5 hours on a full charge with the camera alone. But you get, I think it says you get up to 5 hours if you have it in this little, if you have it in this little charging case. You get up to 5 hours. It's like a Insta360 Go ripoff, but the video quality is not nearly as nice. But yeah, $60, you know, what are you gonna do? I just test these things out because, you know, everyone on Amazon, you know, 5-star rating, it's crystal clear quality, all this shit. People just, you know, lie and all this kind of stuff, and you know, and usually some of these are a disappointment, others are a surprise when they're good quality, but some of these are just, you know, a disappointment. So to turn it on, hang on. Let's sort of turn it on. You hit the left. You know, usually when you could have this camera mounted on, you want the lens on your left side because it doesn't auto rotate. And this is for portrait mode. It's not like the regular camera. This is for portrait mode, and this is for, you know, 16:9 landscape mode. So if you want to shoot regular 16:9 video, you have to have it like this. It's going to be on your left-hand side, the lens, and it's showing the right hand. But when you have it on you, this is going to be on your left-hand side like that. If you wear it on your chest. So, all right, I turn it on. Hit that once, long press, and you see the lights on. You get the tiny little screen. It's in standby mode now. 1080 resolution, time and date. You're in standby mode to start recording. Okay, to start recording, you hit your right button. And it starts recording, see? It starts blinking below in your recording video now, okay? So to stop recording, you hit it again on the right side, and it stops recording. To go into the different modes, and when it's in standby mode, you short press the left button. So you know you're in photo mode. So you can go and take pictures. You hit this again, much like if you're in video mode, you hit this one to take video. You're in picture mode, you hit this one to take a picture. Go into the next mode. Then you're in playback mode now, once you hit this button again. And, you know, go through all your photos and videos and all your other stuff. All the videos and the pictures you took. Like that, like going back, you know, back and forth. And to delete a photo, you can delete a photo or video. You just double click on it on the left side, and then you can toggle either OK or cancel. And then you hit, you hit the right button to select whether, OK or cancel. So that's how you do that. Okay, so once you toggle to a video you want to play, the way you play it back, you long press the middle button and it plays back the video. So to stop it, hang on, you play it back. To stop it, long press it again. And once you're done playing the video, you long press the left one to return to standby mode. Yeah, behind this, you've got the, they include 128 gigabyte, no name memory card. And this is your USB-C port, little tiny screen, electrical contacts for charging and data transfer, I guess. Turn it off, long press it again. Anyone's curious, here it is compared to the W4. Okay, so when I plug this thing into my computer, nothing happens. It won't pop up as a mass storage device, so I had to take the card out and put it in the computer directly, with a memory card reader. Or if your computer already has a memory card reader, you can use it that way. But at least in my experience using this thing for like 5 minutes, if I plug the camera directly into my computer, nothing happens. This is Windows computer. Your experience may vary, but I'm just saying what happened to me. So it's going to be a DCIM folder and a user config text notepad file, text document. So DCIM is where all the pictures and the videos reside. You could double click on that and play all that stuff in the computer as you wish. Anyhow, to set the date and time, you go in here and you set it. It's easy to do. Your time, the year, the month and the day, the time, the hour, minute, second, all that crap. Resolution, it's 1080p. F is full resolution. H means 720p resolution. Recording, X mode. Open the driving recording mode. Oh, driving recording mode? I don't know. That might be like a dash cam kind of thing. Change to X means to close the loop overwrite memory and stop when the memory is full. Motion detection means turning off the it has a motion detection mode too. It means turn off the motion detection, so no motion detection. Change to M, turn on the motion detection. So M is M for motion detection, N for no motion detection. Recording time watermark, O means turn off the watermark, or P means turn off the watermark, and O means turn on the time watermark. Record time, 3 means, okay, so you could set the recording time. 3 minutes loop recording, 5 minutes loop recording, or 10 minutes, or for the segment, however long you want it to record. So if you're recording 3-minute segments, 5-minute segments, or 10-minute segments, before it shuts off, we'll just set it to 10. Okay, save, and that's it. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Brenda A.